Cause we kayaking, baby.
You alright? You got the bump it to us for me?
Teamwork make the dream work, baby. Left, right.
We gotta
Left, right. Left.
How come we gotta turn to the right?
All right, go ahead. Hit the right, hit the right, hit the right.
Okay, we back. Left. Right.
Come on. Why you about to run into us, bitch?
Yo.
Man, you can't run into us, bitch. You all the way in the back, bitch. We got to the fluorescent water. You good? Where you at, babe? Come on, wait, we gotta wait for her. The Terry, let's go.
You can break. Oh. On my eyes. Come on,
Let's
catch
go.
up. Okay. Get the
Wait for
moon.
her,
See the moon?
The moon is beautiful. Oh my God, we out here in this deep water.
Oh.
I'm glad we can't see this shit.
Yeah.
Swear to God. We waiting for you, man.
Hey, another catch up, baby.
We got you,
Scoot up,
baby.
get in front of us.
We got you.
Go up there. Left, right. Left, right.
But you gotta do 4 strokes.
Okay.
4 strokes. No, you're not doing 4 strokes. Push. Push the water back. Look. Ready? Left.
You gotta
Right.
go right. You gotta
Huh?
go back center. Go this way. Okay.
Aya. Oh, y'all all the way the fuck over there
You
somewhere.
know how warm the water is?
But Terry, where you at, babe? Babe, you gotta come all the way
You
over
gotta
here,
come over
babe.
here.
Come on, let her get here.
Yeah. You feel the water? It's so warm.
It's warm, yeah. You gotta dig in that water. Birthday girl. Dig in that water, birthday girl. There you go. We right here with you. It's like fuck it.
Hey, I want to go far over.
Malia. Hit to the right, hit to the right. Hit to the right. Malia. Where you at, babe?
Where you at?
Baby. Where you at? Malia.
You see me?
Hey, baby, you gotta come on. You too far out. Let go, baby. No, we gonna stay here.
On.
You guys almost there. Don't worry. Keep coming forward.
But her.
We could crash. Why you do that? You wanna do that?
Almost there.
Right, guys. Now try to keep going forward, guys. Don't stop. Once you stop, everybody will take it.
Come on, baby. Oh, you wanna race us? Left, right, left, right, left, right. left, right, left,
Right.
left, right, left. Make sure you dig it right, dig it left. Come on, Aya. Y'all gotta work together.
Here. Come on. No, this one, the green one. All the way to the left.
This is a good workout though. On some G shit. Left, 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 left. Right. Left. Right. Let's go, Aya. Y'all gotta work together. See, the woman, they have to work together to get there. It's late at night. It's some deep ass water.
They were just kayaking, right?
And bitch, they said, oh my God, look at the stars. There ain't no turning back, bitch.
What is that? Oh, what's up with it?
Well, what the fuck is that? Area 5. Bitch, that was a cone.
Yeah, what the?
That bitch, that said Area 5.
Okay, this is the green light.
I don't know what the fuck that meant. What that meant? Area 5. What that meant?
This the green light?
What's up, guys?
Where you going?
Oh, y'all just sitting here waiting out here. Man. Why y'all sitting there like that? Y'all just sitting here waiting out here. Man.
Alright guys, you need to get close to the other side and grab the little kaya, okay? You need to go back again, okay?
Oh.
Side by side, okay? Alright.
Right.
Okay, right.
Right.
Whoa!
We can do it. We can do it like that too. Yo, whose cologne is that? Who's got that cologne on?
Okay, y'all go over there to the...
Okay.
Oh, we have
gotta
to attach to
paddle
them like they're doing.
Paddle.
Closer. Come on, we gotta go. Wait, other way.
Holy shit. Hold on, man.
Let's go. Let's just turn this way. Can we be? Which way, puppy?
Now, how do we move to the left, bro? Back, babe. Back.
Okay.
You got it, guys.
We're here. We made it. Okay.
All right,
Eye.
guys.
We gotta get Mama Eye.
I'm an eye over here.
Over here. Stick your stick out.
We just need to get your boat. If we get your boat, we
Give
can
us
get
the
you.
paddle.
Guys, this is so beautiful.
It's like driving.
Give us the paddle.
You're going too fast.
Come on, baby. Give me your paddle.
You gotta get a little closer. You have to get closer. Take your time.
Take your time, babe.
Go
Take your time.
Go the other way. There you go.
Well, you got it, though. You did really good. On the right side, on the right side. Where you guys from? Russia? Ukraine. Same thing, right?
How is this water doing this? Poppy, look.
Huh?
Look.
What?
Grab me.
What about it? Get the shit. Hola. You're gonna see all that later. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you good.
Oh, we can see.
1,
2, 3, 4.
5, 6,
7.
Alright guys, how was the bait? Good?
Shit.
Alright, perfect. Alright guys, now, welcome. Alright, I forget something. When I say welcome to Mosquito Bay, say wow. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome to Mosquito Bay.
Wow.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Amen, guys.
Amen.
Amen. Alright guys, now time to information to the bay, so pay attention please, okay? Alright, in this bay have 3 types of mangrove. You know mangrove, right?
No, what is that?
The mangrove is the trees around here, okay? Have 3 types, red, white and black mangrove. This mangrove contains what nutrient for the microorganisms. The name of this nutrient is vitamin B12. You know vitamin B12, right?
Yeah.
B12.
Yes, of
The
course.
scientific name of the microorganism is dinoflagellum. The dinoflagellum have 2 characteristics, animal and plant characteristics. Animals swim, reproduce, and eat. Plant characteristics absorb the sunlight. Photosynthesis. You know photosynthesis, right?
Yes.
Photosynthesis.
The dinoflagellum glowing 7 times per night only. Suppose you touch one dinoflagellum 7 times, it don't glow more in this night. It go to the bottom of the bay, and the morning go up and absorb the sunlight. And the next night, glow 7 times more. Say wow.
Wow.
Alright, the dinoflagellum have 3 enemies. The first enemy is the humans. Second, the fish. And the last, other microorganisms. The name of this microorganism is copypath. Okay? The form of defense of the dinoflagellum is the glow. When the copypath comes to eat the dinoflagellum grow to bigger and the copypath have fear. Don't eat the dinoflagellum and he go away the area. Okay? You find this microorganism in any ocean, but no concentration have here. In the ocean per gallon you find 100 per gallon only. Here, after Maria, you find 2 million per gallon. Say wow! This bay around is very shallow. In this area maybe have 2 feet only. In the center in the bay have 14 feet deep, so it's shallow this bay. This water is 40% more salted than the ocean, and this may have 1 entrance connected to the ocean. This is the good for the dinoflagellum. Why? The dinoflagellum coincides with the bay and never go out. The wave push against the dinoflagellum and he stays always in the bay. This is the nursery vegan of the Caribbean. This bay have turtle, manatee, stingrays, so a lot of fish live in this bay, guys, okay? Alright guys, now, the plant is Giovanni no te ve. Está muy lejos, Alright, you see the white light? Yeah. Okay, get close to Giovanni, he have all the information to the bay, and then when you put it in, you get close to my green light, I go slowly to the shore. Please don't mix to the company, don't jump to the water, guys, okay? Yes. Alright guys, thank you so much, have a good time, enjoy the water, any questions? Thank you guys.
You could drink the water.
I was asking. She's talking about B12.
No. No, he said about the plants.
back at it. Do you eat the plants? B12?
It's amazing. Guys, I'm gonna have to end the live soon. I don't know if I'm gonna have to end it. Left, right, left, right, 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 left, left, left. Malia. left, right, left, right, 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 left. We're going toward that red light?
No.
Huh?
No, this white one right here. We're just on there.
Oh my God, I cannot believe we have this on live. I have the dopest life on Bigo. Put me on fucking 6 boxes, bitch. You already fucking know I'm in the bit of the fucking ocean. Let's
Oh, right here, puppy. Right.
What do you say?
They right there.
Where?
Right there. In the middle.
Right?
Yeah, go to the right.
Right.
Okay, slow it. You can go right here.
What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Guys, come here. Hold my stick. Hold my stick. Hold it. Come on. Okay, let it go. Let it go. Okay. All right, now. Left. Left.
We go this way. Oh, Pedo?
You guys gotta be strong, okay?
Okay, they're grabbing yours. Grab a stick. Mama, grab this stick. Watch out! Oh, wait. Poppy, you have to grab one too.
No, okay, this one first. Come on, give me your thing. Give me your thing.
Give her the stick.
Grab it.
My paddle can hit the ground. I'm touching the ground.
Touching the ground?
Yes.
Now, guys, everybody hold it up, right?
Hell yeah.
Now remember, don't let go. If you guys let go, we're gonna have to go pick you up back on the mangrove. Now, if you guys wondering where's the exit to the ocean, the exit to the ocean is that direction. The reason why we cannot see the exit is because the exit is shaped like an S. And the reason we're not gonna see that. What's that monkey friend? Now, for us to see the ocean, we have to be on the exit. Okay. Now, thanks to the shape of this exit, the microorganisms get inside and they will get trapped inside this bay. And for this microorganism to get out to the ocean, they will have to be pushed outside with the wind. Right now, you guys notice the wind is coming from the east. If the wind comes from the west, which is behind us, but then eventually we're not gonna have any blow. So thanks to the wind, this is why we have such a high amount of concentration of microorganisms. Also the exit. Now, thanks to the shape of this exit, a pirate on the 1700s used this bay as a hideout. And thanks to the pirate is why this bay got its name. The name of the pirate was Roberto Cofresi. The boat that he used to hide here was called El Mosquito, which means the mosquito. Don't get it confused with mojito. Roberto Cofresi was known as a Robin Hood. He used to steal from the rich and give to the poor. So when he got executed, they decided to name this bay after his boat. Now there were 3 more hideouts that pirate had, but this one was one of them. There were 2 more on the mainland. Now, you guys have any questions about the bay? About the name of the bay? No. So Roberto for the sea, he mainly used to steal from the rich people. In this case, Spain. Spain used to belong to Spain back in the 1800s. In this case. Now, he used to steal from them and run from them. That's why he used to own smaller boats. His strategy was to steal and run. And when he got ambushed, he didn't end up in it. The way the Spaniards got Roberto Cofresi, they ambushed him in St. Thomas, which is to the east side over there. About 20 miles east, if I'm not mistaken. Now, yeah, you guys want to go there? Go to the exit and go straight east. It's only 20 miles. You're going to eventually make it. Right, if you guys want to go to a better journey, go to the exit and south. It's about 1,500 miles. 1,500? Yeah, Venezuela. Yeah, Colombia. Now, you guys seen the movie Life of Pi?
Yeah.
Life of Pi.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the Indian guy that got stuck, that gets stuck on a boat, in a lifeboat with a tiger.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. You guys are gonna end up just like him if you guys try that. Yeah. You're also gonna take a few months maybe. No. Like I was saying, that's actually straight south of Vieques or Puerto Rico in general. It's about, like I said, about 1,500 miles. So right here we cannot see any light pollution because of that. But if you guys look to the right side, all the way there, not only because of the moon, right here there's a lot of light pollution from the mainland, Puerto Rico. If there was no moon, we still get a lot of light over there. Because the island is light. No, that's in Vieques. That is Vieques right here. Behind the mountain, there will still be a lot of reflection, and that will be Puerto Rico. Again, you guys will not see it very well because we got moon.
Yeah.
But speaking of that, if you guys see right here about the moon, you guys see those 2 stars?
Yeah.
Those are Pollux and Castor. They actually belong to Gemini.
Wow.
Gemini is right there. You know that's right here. The cloud is right there too. But right here, and the other one is right next to it. Now, around here, I think it's actually behind the moon right now. Around the moon, you guys will find an orange star. That's a UFO disguised as Mars. So be careful. Try not to send too many signals. That's great. So many people. They left me here 100 years ago. Now, speaking of stars, if you guys look right above Pollux and Castor, right here, you guys will see that it looks like a hook right there, like a question mark.
Yep.
Right there. That's actually Leo's tail. That's the constellation of Leo. Oh,
Hey.
Mercury.
all of
That's
that.
Mercury.
Now, we cannot see it. But on the around 7 to 8, if you guys look on this direction, you guys will see 3 bright stars. They form a triangle. But right now it's already leaving because there's so many constellations. But on the sky, on this direction, like I said, around 7 to 8 p.m., you will see 3 bright stars forming a triangle. That triangle is known as the Winter Triangle. Right now we cannot see it. Right now we can only see Procyon, which is the name of the bright star. Now, like I showed you guys before, right here you guys will see the Southern Cross right there. Okay, try not to break your necks, okay guys? Back here. Come on.
I might show you more.
That is Big Dipper right there.
Oh, that's Medveditsa.
Now, if you guys follow those 2 stars right here, around here you guys will find the North Star. Also, you will find Small Dipper. The North Star is part of Small Dipper. Now, sailors used to follow those 2 stars to always find the north back in the days when there was no compass or GPS. So if you guys ever get stranded at sea, always find that constellation, okay? That will be your safety. Also, hopefully it doesn't happen. That's okay. That's safe. Now, also, the reason they call the North Star is because you never change it direction. You always show from the north. You just move a little. Now here, that is not the brightest star. Now, depending where you are from, let's say, on the northern hemisphere, this is just an example. Let's assume that on the northern hemisphere, for example, New York or Antarctic, let's say you guys live on Antarctic, you guys will see the North Star really high up, but it's also gonna be the brightest star. Where you guys live, right now on the southern hemisphere, the North Star is gonna look just like that. It's not the brightest star. Also, you guys, let's say you live in New York, you will see the North Star just a little bit in between, really high up. Also, it depends also because you guys will not see the stars the same way. You will see the same stars, but not the same. Remember, that's only a constellation of the southern hemisphere. South America, Puerto Rico. Right here, you guys also look carefully. You guys will see a little bit of light. Finding the other smaller islands. Eventually until you make it to Africa. Red lights around the island. It's not because we got some type of coke on the island. The purpose of the red light is to reduce light pollution. By reducing light pollution, we're helping this base stay bright. Also, the turtles don't get some. Someday you're going to be someday, believe it or not, someday is someday. If you guys pass all the way to the end of someday, instead of going to Navillo, take a left, will take you to that entrance right there. That exit or entrance is for the bigger company. On a high season, but on that side, the biggest company can take up to 50 people on one tour, 100 people per day, that's them. Between all the companies, that's will find about 400 to 100 people per night on this day. Now, back in the days, we used to let people jump on this day. But we got to a point that the day is shut down. We're not closed for 2 months. The reason why? A high amount of people jump into the bay each night, especially all the body, especially organisms. Not only that, a lot of people used to go fishing here back in those days too. There was a lot of NASA boats. Also, remember, this is one of the biggest nurseries in the Caribbean. There's more than 200 species of fish. So a lot of people used to go fishing here. So all of that amount of chemicals in the water was killing these microorganisms. Now, when the bay started growing 2 months later, it's a monitoring station. Pretty much monitoring what they do. If there's anything wrong with the bay, that's going to detect it. Also, that's a solar power station. Not only that, it's very important that we're responsible for trapping the microorganisms in the bay. Not only that, it takes out high or low intensity, the oxygen in the water, and the salinity. And like I said, that's high amount. Now, you guys have any questions? No. Now, one last thing. Put your hand on the water. Lift your hand up and look at your hand.
Yeah.
See how tiny you are. Remember, they're not microorganisms. But they light up 100 to 1,000 times bigger in size. Microorganism light up one time.
So microorganism.
Take a little bit of rest. They will light up 7 times per night. So one time they light up. Now, the thing is, this bay has so much microorganisms that it looks like the water is lighting up all the time.
My boat. Sorry, baby. You good?
I can hold them.
Hold that boat, Efuru.
Yeah.
The reason why this water is so warm is due to the shallowness and the bottom of the water is mud. Now, remember the bottom of the water is actually the one holding the vitamins or the mud. This is actually the same mud that you're going to pump. That's no chemical. Looks like a lot of fun. Now, I'm going to pick up my anchor. Hopefully,
Go to the red light. Looks like the pond.
Don't leave us! Wait! We coming! Don't leave us! We coming! No! Don't leave us!
Wait, Poppy. You want to go though? Poppy.
Oh shit! Oh shit! We ran into a tree!
Oh my.
Bitch, we on the tree!
Whoa.
Oh shit! Mama! Don't leave us! Ah! Ah! Don't leave us! Don't leave us! Don't leave us! Oh, bitch, they got the ambulance here. Hold on, what? Who wrong?
That's nothing.
That's the bus. We the last ones here, dog. We the last ones here?
Huh?
sorry.
We the last ones?
You.
Holy shit, bro. Here, bro. Paddle. Oh my God. The things I do to make sure you guys go with us. I'm live on my social media. You guys don't fucking deserve it.
Welcome back, man.
Yo!
Hey, yo.